We are going to unbox and take a look at Bigfoot from the Kings of Crunch series by Greenlight Collectibles. The Bigfoot 1, the original monster truck, 1974 Ford F-250 with 66-inch tires, limited edition, 1/18th scale. Let's go ahead and take a look around the box. Beautiful box again for the 1/18th scale trucks. On the back of the box, there we have what it looks like on the back. Of course, the hood, doors, and tailgate are functional to expose highly detailed parts and accessories. The body is a 1979 Ford F-250, chassis 1974 F-250. The engine 640 cubic inch V8, transmission a C6, axles 5-ton military, shocks 14 gas cell, tires Firestone 66-inch. The weight approximately 11,000 pounds. So the other one that I did was with the 48-inch tires, and there we have what it looks like up top of the Kings of Crunch. Very cool. So let me go ahead and take this out of the box. Pop this open. Here is Bigfoot out of the box, and these tires are about 3.5 inches tall, and it rolls pretty well. But this thing was heavy to take out. It is heavy, a heavy die-cast truck. Let's go ahead and take a look at the detail on the truck itself with Bigfoot 4x4, the original monster truck on the door. Then here on the side of the hood we have Summit Racing Equipment sticker. Then we have powered by a Ford 640 on the back. Then it is going to be the Ranger XLT. There you have it, www.bigfoot4x4.com. And then the Midwest 4-wheel drive. Show Me State, Missouri. Look at that, the chrome bumper, kind of the look of how it's supposed to be, chrome. Then inside, in the bed of the truck, I have a gas tank, some batteries, looks like. So let's go ahead on to the other side of Bigfoot. Here's a look on the passenger side of Bigfoot. It does have the blue suspension. This door opens. All of the controls. Here's the front of the truck. What it looks like with the doors open. The name of Bigfoot. It also has Bigfoot 4x4x4, and then the little foots on each side on the windshield. There you have the little wrench, tow wrench in the front again, the KC lights. I like the grill in the front. It's down below. And then the lights up above. Time to pop open the hood. There we have the engine. Now on to the other side of the engine. Let's go ahead and pop open the tailgate. Bigfoot with the 48s and Bigfoot with the 66s. Thank you for tuning in to this video.